Hey hustlers, welcome back to Hustle Highway. Today, we're diving into the top 5 apps to boost your income online. First up, Upwork. It's perfect for freelancers like writers, designers, and developers. Find gigs, build your portfolio, and earn extra cash. Next, Fiverr. Offer services starting at $5. It's great for beginners looking to get small-scale projects. Then, there's TaskRabbit. Complete local tasks like errands, cleaning, or furniture assembly and get paid. If you have a car, Uber and Lyft are fantastic for flexible, part-time income. Lastly, Amazon Mechanical Turk lets you earn by completing small online tasks. These apps can help you achieve your financial goals. Stay consistent and provide quality work. Share your experiences in the comments and subscribe for more money-making tips.